it will come from notifications at filestage.io. And what it will have in it is what the creative is, and it will ask you to review it. And here, it's got a deadline of the 27th of March. So if you open the link, it will take you to the FileStage platform where you can make some comments or you can approve the creative. You can see here, I'm going to make some comments. And I'm going to click on that and ask that her eyes are made green. After that, I'm going to hit request changes. It'll give you 10 seconds in case you just spot something else just as you're about to exit. So you click on do, and if you see another change, just put another comment in. You're like, oh, I forgot to paint her nails. So paint her nails red, please. Put the comment on, and then click request changes, and that will then save. Okay, if you're reviewing a video here, you can simply just click at the moment that you want to make the edit, and it will timestamp the comment based on where you are in the video. So a really simple tool to use to approve creative. You might have something to review that requires a substantial change. If it's a big document, you might want to reorder all the pages, or you might want to upload a new image or something in to tell the designer to swap an image out. So here's how you go about doing this. You go to click a comment and you say swap out this image. What you can do is you can click on this, and here I've got an image of a plane that I want to put in instead and swap this image out. So I'm just going to say swap out this image, and then I've attached in the new image that I'd like to use instead. So I can do that once it's uploaded and the image is there, and hit comment. Once you've made the comments, don't forget to hit request changes over here, and that's it. It will go back to the designer and they'll be able to see these changes. I'm going to show you how to review in FileStage and how you can compare previous versions. If you run a second round of revisions and you get an email from FileStage that asks you to, it will say version 2, version 3, whichever version you're on, you can open up FileStage and it will take you to the document or the design to review. You can change the size here to make it a bit easier for you to see. And you see here, we're saying this has got 7 screens to attack, or 7 pages to review. Now, I've already made some changes on this one the last time. And so what I want to do is compare, were my changes made, or and so what I do is I click compare here, and what that does is it pulls up my feedback from the last version. And so this is the original version that I made comments on, and this is the new version. So you look for the spots. The spots are where I commented before. So I did a click and comment, and the spots are where I commented before. So I didn't make any changes on the first tile. So you can see that's exactly the same. By the time I get to the third tile, we put a review on here. So you can see I can compare it side by side. Sometimes if you're using FileStage, you might have more than one job to review at the same time. If you're in a job and you're designing and you're not quite sure if you've got something else to review, what you can do is you can click on this button here, and it will expand out the other items that are waiting for you to give some comments on. If you've reviewed something and hit approve on this, like this one is, it says approved here, you can actually just download here the original file, and that will download here in the format that it was loaded in. So if you're desperately waiting for something and you can't wait for us to output all of the files, if you've approved something, you can actually just download a copy of it here, and that's all using this little download icon.